Two titans of productivity: Asana, the comprehensive team collaboration powerhouse, and Trello, the simple visual Kanban boards. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, Asana, where complex projects meet streamlined teamwork. And on the right, Trello, beloved for its drag-and-drop simplicity and visual organization. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly which platform stands out in 2025. The result might not be what you expect. Before we get dramatic, let me show you a quick mind map of everything we're going to compare today: pricing, task management, collaboration, templates and customization, AI and automation, and reporting and analytics. Basically, all the juicy bits that really matter if you're picking a tool for your team, or just, trying to get your life together. All right, first off, pricing. Let's start with Asana. They've got a free tier for up to 10 users, which is kinda generous, and honestly, the free plan packs in a bunch of features. But, and here comes the sticking point, if you need those premium perks, it's gonna cost you. We're talking $10.99 per user each month. So if you have a growing team, that pricing spikes up. No joke. Now, let's slide over to Trello. Trello's lowest paid tier is just $5 a user. That's almost like they're giving you a discount for just showing up. You get up to 10 boards and collaborators totally free. And for small teams or solo folks on a budget, the value's obvious. Thing is, their free plan is a bit stripped down. And the enterprise pricing, yeah, good luck figuring that out quickly. But you know what? Trello wins this one, and honestly, your wallet will thank you. Now, let's talk task management, because this is where things get interesting. Starting with Asana, it's stacked. You've got subtasks, dependencies, custom fields, milestones, built-in time tracking, multiple project views, all this stuff that might make your inner productivity nerd freak out a little. Downside, there's a steeper learning curve. Like, if you open Asana for the first time, get ready to click around and go, wait, how do I find my tasks? Now for Trello. Super intuitive, super visual, with those classic Kanban boards everyone loves. Great for basic projects, or if you just want quick and easy. But there's always a but. If you need advanced features, you hit a wall. No built-in task assignment, and if you want dependencies, you gotta grab a power-up. That said, for serious task management, Asana definitely takes the cake here. Shifting gears to collaboration. So, Asana first. It's got built-in Messenger, project-wide message boards, team bandwidth monitoring. You can assign tasks directly to individuals, making it super easy to hold folks accountable, or, just keep track of who's actually doing their part. The only catch is, if your team is tiny, all these bells and whistles might feel a little overwhelming. Trello, on the other hand, keeps it chill. Their commenting system is simple, and tagging members is a breeze. But, and it's a big but, there's no dedicated messenger or team-wide update boards. You're kinda stuck with basic tools. So if collaboration is a top priority, Asana's knocking it out of the park. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Kanban, which powers Trello's boards, originally came from Toyota? Yep, it was a manufacturing method before the tech world made it all digital for us. Just a little productivity trivia while you process everything. All right, next up. Templates and customization. Okay, Asana brings a rich template library, preset automation workflows, and integrations that kind of just work out of the box. You get more customization up front, but here's the twist. If you want stuff that's super unique, maybe it's not as flexible as you hoped. Now Trello steps in. The power-ups, honestly, are a game changer if you like experimenting. You can get wild with customization. Plus, there's a pretty big template library. But those templates are kinda basic. For advanced features, you gotta load up power-ups, which can mean more clicking and setup time. So, overall, Asana edges out Trello if you want lots of customization right away. All right, let's chat about AI and automation. Asana is kinda slick here, with robust AI integration, innovative project management features, and intelligent task suggestions. All paid plans get access, which is nice, but yeah, you do have to fork over some cash. Now, Trello. On the free level, you get 250 monthly automations, which is honestly not too shabby for $0. Their power-ups help you add automation and even some basic AI. But here's where it stumbles. It's mostly a writing assistant. Limited AI features, and unless you pay for premium, you won't be wowed. Asana is way ahead in this race. Moving right along to reporting and analytics. Asana's got a dashboard view loaded with charts, built-in reporting tools, and you can make custom or pre-built charts for pretty much anything. It's super helpful if you're juggling lots of numbers or milestones. The trade-off gets complex fast if your needs are simple. Trello does offer reporting via power-ups, but honestly, built-in options are pretty bare bones. If you want anything fancy, you have to add extras. So yeah, Asana is the clear winner in this category if you want serious tracking. Let me pull up a radar chart so you can instantly see how Asana and Trello stack up side by side in all these categories. It's kind of wild how strengths shift depending on what you actually need day to day. So here's my honest take. If you've got a big team or your projects are layered and complex, Asana's your go-to, no contest. But if you like things simple, love visual boards, and your budget's tight, Trello's gonna feel like a breath of fresh air. Bottom line, pick Asana for heavy-duty teamwork and Trello for easy-peasy organizing. All right, are you ready to level up your productivity? Seriously, go grab a free trial, see for yourself which workflow feels better in real life. Why not give it a spin right now?